Windows Insiders, brace yourselves for a major shakeup in the latest build that's redefining how you interact with your system. Today marks the release of Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 27919 for the Canary Channel, and it's packed with updates that might just change your workflow for good. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these changes come with trade-offs that early adopters need to weigh carefully. Let's dive in. A new era for Windows search. Imagine this. You're trying to tweak your search settings, but they're scattered across multiple menus, like puzzle pieces waiting to be connected. That's about to change. Microsoft is consolidating all Windows search settings into a single, streamlined hub under Settings, Privacy, Security, Search. This isn't just a cosmetic overhaul, it's a redesign aimed at simplifying access. The new interface features a modern layout, intuitive categorization, and clearer navigation, so you can tweak permissions and search behaviors without feeling like you're solving a mystery. Think of it as decluttering your digital toolbox for better efficiency. Fixes that matter. While the big changes grab attention, the smaller fixes are equally vital. For instance, File Explorer users can now breathe a sigh of relief. A crash bug that occurred when viewing digital signatures in file properties has been nipped in the bud. Input method enthusiasts, particularly those using Microsoft's Changjie Input or phonetic keyboards for languages like Hindi and Marathi, will appreciate the return of flawless functionality. These fixes might seem minor, but they're the unsung heroes that keep your daily tasks running smoothly. The catch: known issues you need to know. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. If you're upgrading a new Copilot PC from the dev or retail channels to the Canary Channel, be prepared for a hiccup. Your Windows Hello PIN and biometrics might vanish, leaving you with error code 0xD000225. Don't panic. Microsoft has provided a workaround to reset your PIN, but here's the twist. This isn't just a technical glitch. It raises a bigger question. Is the risk of losing access worth the thrill of testing bleeding-edge features? And this is the part most people miss. The progress wheel might render as a rectangle, and Group Policy Editor could throw unexpected errors. Even more concerning, a bug in DAO360.dll could crash certain apps. These aren't just annoyances, they're red flags for developers and power users alike. Remote desktop and widgets, the unstable frontier. Remote desktop users, take note. Your multi-monitor setup might revert to a single display, stripping away productivity gains. Meanwhile, widgets, those handy panels for weather, news, and more, might vanish entirely after an upgrade. Microsoft is actively investigating, but this highlights a critical truth. The Canary Channel is a testing ground, not a polished product. Features here are like experimental prototypes, exciting but fragile. What every insider needs to remember. Before you jump into this build, remember, Canary Channel releases are snapshots of a work in progress. Features may evolve, disappear, or never make it to a final release. Some updates might debut in the dev or beta channels first, and localization, translation into your language, is often incomplete. If you ever want to leave the Canary Channel, be prepared for a clean Windows 11 reinstall, a non-negotiable step due to technical constraints. Your turn to weigh in. This brings us to a burning question. Should Microsoft prioritize stability for Canary users, even if it means slower innovation? Or is the current approach, raw, unfiltered, and occasionally frustrating, the best way to push boundaries? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you've encountered any of these issues firsthand, let us know how you're navigating the chaos. After all, the future of Windows is being written by you, the insiders. So, what's your take? Are you all in on the Canary Channel? Or is it time for a more cautious approach?